people are charging $400 to $500 to set up a piece of software that costs them nothing at all. That is not a scam, it is a real business. And today I show you how it works and including why it is really way harder than it looks. My name is Daniel Jindeo and I used to run AI info business that questioned my moral every single day, and eventually I had to quit. Now I'm just giving away everything I know about AI for completely free. There's no gatekeeping. You can join my free community, but consider commenting down below and hype this video if you can. So let me tell you why I can show you this one. So this whole channel, literal proof. I give away everything I know for free. There's no gatekeeping. And that is exactly what built enough trust and credibility that people started asking me to do the work for them. So I'm not teaching you a theory I read somewhere. I'm showing you the same move I'm running right now. Give first, earn the trust, then get paid from it. So here's what I think about making money with free open source software. If you check my last video, you probably know what I'm talking about, but I will also explain to you. And it's the opposite of what most people will tell you. What that means in plain English, open source just means the software is free and you are allowed to run it yourself instead of renting it from some big company every month. There's free version like that for almost every expensive tool a business pays for nowadays. So the software is the cheapest part, it is free, and you are the expensive part. Why don't we think of it like a restaurant? The rice and the vegetables are cheap. Nobody walks in and pays $30 for a bowl of raw rice. They pay for the meal, the cooking, the table, the service, and somebody who brings it over and fixes it if something is wrong. The open source tool is the rice, you are the kitchen. That is the part people pay for. Does that make sense? I know the analogy is kind of like a very Asian, the whole rice thing. Now, here's why this is even possible today. And the timing is kind of wild. Setting up the software used to be the hardest part. You needed to know how to code, how to host it, all of that. With AI, however, with AI and what people are calling vibe coding, where you just tell the AI what you want and it builds it for you, the wall is basically gone. You can stand most of these tools up in a weekend right now. But when the building gets easy for everyone, building stops being the thing people pay for. The money moves to the part that is still hard, which is finding the client and getting them to trust you. So the skill that matters right now the most is not technical, it is sales, and it is proof, it is credibility layer, which is the whole point. The software is the cheap part, you are the expensive part. So how do you start when you have zero track record and nobody knows your name? You give the first one away, and I do not mean that in a desperate way, I mean it on purpose. When you have no proof or whatsoever, your time is the cheapest thing you own, and trust is the most expensive. So you trade the cheap thing for the expensive thing. You do 1 or 2 setup for free, you over deliver on them, and then you do the move almost everybody just kind of forgets and negligent about. You ask for a referral, the testimonial, the screenshot, the intro to their friend who needs the same exact thing. Give, deliver, ask, then charge. That right there is the whole letter. The free work is not the business. It's the down payment on the proof that lets you charge the $400 to $500 next time. Okay, and so what is it that you exactly need to sell? Let me give you the menu here, and I'll be honest about the catch on each one, every single one, what you need to know about it, okay? N8N is the big one. It's free automation software, the open source version of Zapier. You sell automation setups to small businesses, connect their contact form to their emails, to their customer list, so the busy work just happens by itself. $400 to $500 a setup and up once you have proof. The catch here is that you have to understand their workflow first. The tech is the easy part, the listening is the hardest part. And funny enough, N8N itself raised over $200 million. So you are building on the exact same tool that funded startups use. Cal.com is the open source version of Calendly. You set up booking system for coaches, clinics, salons, and you white label it, which just means you put their name and logo on it so it looks like theirs. The catch here is, trade-off that I can think of is a thin offer on its own. So it works best bundled with something else because calendar itself, all these different industries have their own calendar services. So anyway, Coolify is the open source version of Vercel and Heroku. You handle the hosting for a developer's app for a monthly fee instead of them paying a big cloud bill. It is for more technical clients, so you gotta know your audience. Quicker now, same pattern, free tool plus your service. Listmonk is open email sending. You run email as a service for a small business on a monthly retainer. The catch here is getting those emails to actually land in the inbox instead of the spam folder is a real skill. So do not promise inbox magic you cannot deliver. 20 is the open source version of a Salesforce. You set up a CRM for a small team that thinks like Salesforce is too much. And a CRM is just the software a business uses to keep track of its customer and its deals. The catch here is that it is young, so set expectation. Documenso is the open source version of DocuSign. You set up e-signing for a firm that does not want to pay per signature. The catch here, the trade-off that I can think of for this one is the legal compliance side, and you say that out loud to clients. And Medusa is the open version of Shopify. You build a custom store for a brand that has outgrown the basic platform. The catch here is that this is the most technical build on the list. So it is a level up offer, not a starter one. And at the end of the day, most people will probably want to just use the existing platforms since those are proven with credibility, right? So now the part I need you to hear carefully, because this is where most people quit. The tools are the easy 20% epic nowadays. You can learn any end in a weekend. The hard 80% is everything that is not the software side. It is finding the client. It is the awkward conversation where you ask for money. It is the patience to do free work first and then ask for a referral instead of just hoping it shows up. And the most important thing that I can think of is how to actually deliver, how you can deliver fully, right? Up to their standard expectation. If you're good at the tech, but you freeze when it's time to sell, then this is going to be very difficult. And I'm not going to pretend otherwise, which is just another way of saving the thing I keep saying. The software is free, you are the expensive part. But here's what I think that is also good news, I think, because the hard part is a skill you can build, and almost nobody unwilling to learn it is going to compete with you. And let me be straight about what this costs you, because it's not zero. It's not going to be $0. It's not going to be free. The tools are basically free. A small server is like $5 to $20, $12 a month, but your real cost is time. And it's the free work upfront. You are spending hours and giving away a setup or two before a single dollar comes in. So this is not passive. It's not going to happen overnight. And anybody telling you it is, it's just selling you something that just doesn't make sense. Here's what I think the real trade-off here is. You spend cheap time now to build proof that pays you for years to come. I think that's worth it. That's how I did it, and that's how you should do it, right? But you go in with your eyes open. So if you want a head start, I made a free starter sheet that lays out each tool, the service you can sell with it, a realistic rate, and the catch. Plus the exact give, deliver as script, landing your first free client and turning them into a paid one. Link is in the description. Just sign up for my newsletter. It is yours. Now, if you take one thing from this video, take this. The software is free. You are the expensive part. So go be the expensive part. Anyway, that is for today. If you want to see more, why don't you comment down below on what you want to see next for the next video. I'm going to cover the steps after the service, how you turn all of this into your own product so you're not trading hours forever, because that is how our channel runs. You ask, I build, we all learn. See you in the next video.